I want to share with you how we built Pixo in under 1 month. Pixo is an advanced AI product that allows you to view generative art in the real world. It uses models like OpenAI and Flux to bring that art directly in your home or office space. We built this with HAL 9, and I think the journey is pretty exciting. So I'm going to take you step by step and show you how you can also build that with HAL 9 and with our team. The journey really starts at hal9.com. I'm going to ask HAL 9 for a description of what I want to see. An application that uses OpenAI to render an image in black and white. And boom, just like that, we have an image generation, a grayscale demo. And I want to say here, 3D wizard in the forest. So here we have a wizard and it's in black and white. Why is it in black and white? Well, because our display is in black and white. We can copy the URL to then embed it into another website. So in this particular case, I built a Wix website and I put my first version of this minimum viable demo just ready for you to use. Anyways, long story short, you can keep doing this process, iterating with our team and with AI to make this better. Eventually, the images might look like this. This is a further along iteration that we did, and we were able to improve this in 2 ways. First, using the actual AI prompts that I showcase you. And the other one is that is very important on your startup journey is that everything that you do in HAL 9 is based on code, which really allows you and us to iterate on the best possible product, which allows us also to embed that new version into your website. So this is the semi-final minimum viable product. Started from an AI prototype, we did various iterations, we improved the code, and now you finally have something that has a lot of potential. It's on your website, and it's something that you can either put behind a paywall or use to get feedback on investors and the like. Now, the last step was using it in a hardware device. The hardware device is calling HAL 9 to generate different images. And that's happening through an API, which is the last level of integration that we can provide. If you want to learn more about this, you can find me at hal9.com to help you make your vision a reality with the help of HAL 9 and generative AI. Thanks for watching.